Alright, today we are going to talk about bagging sub. Whether or not you're using a nutritional sub that needs to be sterilized, or if you're just running coir and vermiculite, or a coir vermiculite gypsum mix. First, what we want to do is we want to run either your BBFFU, your Brook Boy fan filter unit, or your FFU or laminar flow cabinet. We want to run it for a good 30 minutes or so to just help clean all the air in the room, because even though our sub is non-nutritional, we don't want to get any contaminants in it anyway, because when it comes time to inoculate your sub, spawn to bulk, we don't want any contaminants in the sub itself. So once you've run it for a good 30 minutes or so to clean the air, I like to just have my stack of bags ready, a good workspace here, and I'll pull one bag out. I have me a quart jar sitting here because instead of measuring in weight, I do my ratio by quarts, and in every bag of sub I have 3 quarts of sub, and then I add the 1 quart of spawn, and that makes it 4 quarts in the bag and at a 1:3 ratio, which is after years of playing around with bags, that's the best ratio I've found so far. So you just have everything set up, make sure you're gloved up and your gloves are clean, whether or not you wash them with soap and water in the sink or spray them down with some isopropyl alcohol. Either way, just get your hands clean and open up your bucket or cooler and get to work. This is what I use as my scoop, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but the 3 quarts of sub that I put per bag, and today I will be spawning in the same day, but normally what I do is I'll bag these up, and when I'm done, I'll rinse out the cooler, dry it down with a towel, and I will store my bagged sub until it's ready for use. Well, it's already ready for use, until I'm ready to use it, I should say. But yeah, so just kind of get your workspace set up. I had already scrubbed the tabletop with a sponge with dish soap and wiped it down, and then did a 10% bleach spray and let it set for 5 minutes, and then wiped it down. So between that and making sure that the air in the room is clean, I am ready to go, and so will you. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like my content, please like and share. If you want to get notifications for when the new videos drop, hit that little bell icon, and you'll see when my new stuff comes out. Until the next one, guys, happy cultivating.